we're gonna move on to the mediums. So hopefully I do not screw up the names here because I'm kind of like, I'm a little out of practice. I'm gonna start with this one because this is the latest and the greatest. This is the sling backpack because it just has the singular point of connection here in the center and then the one side. It has the endless loop. It is not removable. It has the generous back pocket here that's open, much deeper than a phone, just for reference. Could easily fit 2 phones, what have you. Could fit a magazine if anyone still reads magazines. It's got the front zipper pocket here. It does not have the secret pocket behind. What all is in here? I don't know. Quality control stuff. And then this, which is actually really nice that they do this, it's got snaps and a pad. So I would imagine that this goes here. So if you want, I'm going to do it really quick. I don't know if it was intended for this bag, so apologies if it was not, but I'll put it on and we'll see. And then let's move in. So it's got a second zipper compartment with the double zipper. Double zipper is so handy. And let's get the stuffing out. I'm making a huge mess in Dave's office. Okay, so very spacious interior. Single pocket here that does not run the full length or the full depth. Let's see. It's exactly the size of this phone with like a 1/2 inch sticking out for reference, and there is a key fob. Let's put this on and I'll show it to you. This probably goes like this is my guess. Let's do, what have I done here? I feel like I've put this on wrong. Let's try it again. How would you do this? I think I have to do this way. These are the perils of amateur videos. Okay, yes, much better. So it goes here, so it can only be worn sort of on this left to right. Here is the pad, which makes it super comfortable. Let me swing around and show this to you. I'm gonna step aside because I learned my lesson. And this is what it looks like. So it's got the connections here and here. It is really comfortable, and I'm trying to think, do I have any thoughts on that? No, it's actually really nice. I like how and where it lays and that the connection is on the exterior. I find sometimes when the connections are back here, it kind of feels constricting, but that's not the case with this bag. Can I wear it any other way? I suppose you actually could wear it this way if you chose to, or in a pinch if you had another backpack with you. Could do that, could you? Yeah, you actually could do that. Okay, so this is the sling backpack. Options on options. She's got a lot of backpacks these days. Okay, and then this one, you might have remembered when I did this comparison, it was, I think I did, you guys probably remember better. I think when this came out, I did the City versus the Mini. And this is the City. This is thick leather. This is like a, you know, all the leather is different. Like it's, so sometimes all of their leather is amazing, but sometimes you pick up a piece and you're like, holy moly, the leather on this particular one is really nice. Okay, so it's got the nipple rivet closure. I wouldn't put my phone in here because the nipple rivet probably will scratch my phone. If you had a smaller phone, it would probably be fine. It has, super cute, the chubby tassel and the zipper pocket. I could easily put my phone in here. There is not a secret back pocket there. There is nothing else on the exterior, so we're gonna move in. This is a really nice piece of leather, by the way. Oh, there is this top pocket, just FYI, with a nipple rivet. And then there's another large zipper back here. Pull this open. And there is, which I cannot show you, but just right here, there are 2 little side secret pockets. So I would put cash in there if I were traveling. And let me see. They even like, here, let me see if I can show you. This piece here is a flap to cover that pocket. So it's super secure. There's a hole here. There's a nipple rivet, and it's a really nice tucked out of the way. if you're going to be traveling internationally or someplace where you want to have your valuables in there or your jewelry, I'd put it in that part of the thing. And it's got one on either side. And other than that, there's nothing on the interior, but that's kind of a really cool feature actually. So let me close this up. Let me show you up against the sling back. And let's do this together. So this one has different handles because it has her signature top grab handle. The sling back does not have a top grab handle, and you know, people really like that, so it's on a lot of her bags. So I wanted to point out that this one does have it. The straps are not removable. They do have this really nice padded section here, and it's buckle, meaning that there's going to be a tail for people that, where should I put it? I'll put it, I know I always wear it short, so I'll put it here. And then I'll model it for you so you can kind of see. And I'm not going to, what did I do? I put it on the third hole. Okay, this leather on this particular one. I'm more of a tobacco person. I have a couple, like, very few black pieces, a couple of brown pieces, mostly tobacco, but this one, I think this is, it's hard to tell sometimes, but I think this is the dark coffee brown. It's a beautiful bag. So here it is. And then let me do this for you. My daughter's having so much fun in Dave's office. So this is the city versus the new sling back. So hopefully that's good perspective for you on size. And then